There's some deer on our walk. We're wondering how close we can get to them. We're just right across the street from them now. They just went up in the woods a little bit. He's looking at us, wondering what we're going to do.
Can you see the horns?
Not really. You can see his butt mostly.
You can make them out in between his ears.
Probably not on this video, but I see him in real life. The other one is hiding right there. She's hiding more. So farther down the pathway, there's some deer in someone's yard here, eating their garden just like they do at our house. Those are two different deer. You can see there's one right here and one back there. They're not afraid of us at all, or the dog. We've met up with even more deer. That's a baby. They're running, running right past us. Wow. What a nice walk. We've probably seen 10 deer at least. They're off in the field, romping away, making sure we're not following them.